Oh man, when you go to theaters to watch a film like Pushpa, the experience is surreal. Like, it felt like pre COVID days, all the whistlings, dancing, clapping. It made me feel like uh, something else. The experience was sur- amazing. I can't explain words, but there's a bit of disappointment. Yes, I didn't like Pushpa that much. They marketed film wrong. They marketed like the it would be a KGF style film, but the thing they did is more of dialogues. There was no action in comparison to dialogues. Only 20 to 25 minutes of action in a 3 hour long film. And the film, its length is too much. The film drags too much. It felt like boring at times. Yes, I am talking about Pushpa. We had high hopes, but it didn't match up to the hype. So let's start the review. What is about the film? Pushpa Raj, that is played by Allu Arjun, is a daily laborer working for a group headed by Konda Reddy, Jali Reddy, and Jakka Reddy. They do illegal smuggling of red sandals. So it would be a non spoiler review, so please don't go away. Pushpa grows in the rank of from a normal coolie to a co-owner alongside Reddy Boss. The love track with Srivalli, that is played by Rashmika, and the emergence of the new threat, Bhavar Singh Shekhawat, played by Fahad Fasil, is the non-existential for me. Like, Fahad Fasil entered in the scene in the last 15 to 20 minutes, where a character like an actor like Fahad Fasil is missed the opportunity. They could have made his entry in beginning. That could have impacted the film more. But Allu Arjun lives in the role of Pushpa Raj, and we could see the character Pushpa instead of the star Allu Arjun. Yes, Allu Arjun lived the character. He is the best, as we can say. The getup he has adorned has attracted our attention since the first look came out. When we watched the movie, we realized that it is not just a typical makeover. A lot of efforts has been put into the body language, dialogue delivery, that is the Chittoor dialect. They are terrific. The way he utters Sukumar's words makes them unique and help his character stand out. There is not much on the dance side, barring small glimpses here and there. But when you have such an act, nothing else matters. Pushpa will be a memorable film for Allu Arjun, all things considered. Director Sukumar had a vision, but it's lost in its own word. I could say that the whole love angle between Allu Arjun and Rashmika had no point. It was pointless. Rashmika has done a good job. There is no denial in that. But they could have just cut it off. It doesn't add anything good to the film, and it only helps in dragging the film more. The cinematography, the camera work, editing, all could have been better. Yes, we wanted more from Sukumar. Yes, he is the director of Rangasthalam, which was an epic film. But he disappoints this time, and at a greater level. The songs were good. Yes, I like the song. The Samantha's item song was like sexy, and it was something appealing. Samantha did a good job in that. It's commendable. And uh, let's talk about the performances. Allu Arjun, as an effortless actor, he did terrific job. He was fantastic in playing the titular character Pushpa, and we just Allu Arjun surpassed our expectation. The If the story could have been better, the film would have been more powerful, and it could have had a huge impact on us. But It's a missed opportunity. I would say you can watch it for one time. It is good. You can experience the theater again, and nothing else was too good in that film. Songs were good, acting was good, Rashmika's character was just sprinkled, Fahad Fasil as well. It was too lengthy, and everything else was just nothing else to say. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more reviews like this. It was an honest review, and as you can see the train horn behind me. Yes, I am on my way to home. Just came out from the theater, and it was nice talking to you all. Thank you.